Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to merge Word documents into one. To begin, open a Word document. After, in the Insert menu, click on Object and then select the Insert Text from File option. Now select the Word file to merge. Click Insert. After, it's possible have two or more Word files into one. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.